today we have this big clutch plate. It's about 18 inches in diameter. Okay, so what I've got here is these bolt holes, or where this actually mounts, and it actually mounts on the back side. I don't really care what this surface reads out here. See, we're down 41, that's 42, 43, and all these bolt holes are right around 43. So I'm definitely well within tolerance. Now I have to remember, this thing is 18 inches across, and so let's call this 6 inches or so from here to here. So 1,000th here could turn into 6,000ths out here. So we always need to keep that in mind. I'm inclined to use this tool. It's an insert tool, but it's got a few things that probably wouldn't behoove me in this application. And first off, it's got a big nose radius. Second off, it has a negative rake to it, so it's really a high tool pressure situation. So since it's in the machine, I might as well try, see if it works. But I have a feeling that when I get out here where it's kind of thin, it could start to really get a really bad vibration going on. I would not be surprised at all if it experiences that. So anyways, let's give this a shot. If it starts to vibrate at all, then I'm going to switch over to a really sharp, high-speed steel tool, and we'll get this thing done. One thing to note here, the customer says I can only take an 1/8 inch. We agreed we could probably go more than that. I guess the manufacturer says only take an 1/8 inch, so we're going to call it about 5/10. I'm really not that concerned about the chatter there. We might see after this one. Alright, so I was turning along here, didn't have a video going of course, and this thing decided that it no longer wanted to be in the machine, and so came out, and right there, big old gouge. So we'll see. I think it'll be okay. I always hate bringing stuff back to a customer like that. What I might do is I might take a really light skim pass over this and just tell the guy, if it doesn't work, don't pay me. Because, you know, that's what we're trying to get done, is some work. So if it's not going to work for him, oh well. So, anyways. Alright, so we have what I hope is the final cut here. Going pretty well. This brazed carbide really cleaned things up a bit, lowered that tool pressure considerably. I think once we got through the top layer of that hard spot you see there, it got substantially easier. You can still hear how it's not quite cutting the same. But it appears, I'll have to throw a straight edge on here, or maybe even a dial indicator, and see if it has a deviance in height from the rest of the surface. But like I said, it appears to be about the same. So that was one of the crashed spots there. there it is.